In this video we're gonna make a motorcycle. So here is the material, like 2 sticks and 2 pipes, 1 round stick and 3 wheels. Again are like same combination from the motor and the battery, and we will make a real motorcycle. The first motorcycle is made by Germans in 1885, almost 140 years before. It was called as Reitwagen, and in these days it's very common in India. So we start again with the same step. Okay, our motor is turning, and right now we use like 3-volt motor. The important thing, you should understand which way this motor is turning. And we will put our motor like this. Just imagine, and also like just remember that the motor always turns from the right side to the black side to the red side. Then you can also like touch, and you can understand which way it's turning. Okay, and I will mount my motor like this. Before start this one, I will put a small pieces to the here, because otherwise my motor will not go faster. Then I put a small piece to here, like here, and then I will put my stick. First I put this one, and then again a bit glue, and I put my stick. And the stick will be a bit like this position, not straight. And after that I will put my button and my battery bat. If like this, if you lost the connection, you can connect them here. Put this one like this, and after that twist it. Okay, then first button here, and then battery bat. This is the main chassis of the motor, and right now I will put the control units and then also the seat to here. For this one I will use the stick, but first of all I want to make my wheels. So again the first wheel, and after that pipe, and then my second wheel. This is my wheel position, and it should turn easily. Okay, and I cut here. I will put this one to here, like this. Okay, I have to be sure that it is really like parallel to here. It should be like 90 degrees, like this. Okay, and also put my back wheel here. Okay, and right now I will make my seat and my control unit. First of all, I will cut this one from the middle. Okay. And for control unit, I will make it like this. So I just glue to here inside and keep it to dry like this. So, and the second one will be the seat. Seat will be a bit more open, like this. Okay, so you can see how they're positioned. And right now it's almost ready. I will put my control unit to the front. It's glued to here. Here also. Okay. The control unit is here. And my seat will be here on the bottom. There. It's almost at the motor shape. But I want to put something to control my motor. Then I will use the other pipe, and I make it like that a bit, and put some glue here, and then I can pass this one to here. It is right now looks more to the motorcycle, and when I push the button it should go forward, so you can see that it is really fast. So this is turning, and just be aware that the center of the weight will be here. Otherwise you can shift these wheels to the right, to the or left, and this is a motorcycle.